too strong.
No, they have some problem. You know, when the crisis happened.
Sure, I know that.
You know the world crisis in 2008.
Yes, I know that. Yes.
Mm.
Before there was there was only local business only in Afghanistan. You know.
Mm.
Now they have
But I met him. I met the father in 2003.
Yeah, he's very old man. You know, little bit
Yeah.
small, but small.
Yes. Yeah.
I know
I
him.
met him and I make for him a design for his first project there in Dubai.
Yes.
He has Azizi development.
There are three brothers, I think. Three brothers.
No, as I know, the owner, he's the father, and they have his sons.
Yes.
I know the father. I don't know the sons
Okay.
because I am old man. I am 47. So, I am not young.
No. Also, what time is going? I'm also 37-year-old. You know, I'm living in Germany here in Frankfurt. Well, he's also here in Frankfurt with me, maybe 300 meters from me.
A lot of people now who's living in Europe, everywhere, they come to Dubai to live. They shift from Europe to Dubai because the people, they feel bad from Europe because they pay a lot of taxes. The money wasting there, really.
Yes, sure. I have also 3 companies here in Frankfurt because I have like machine business and 2 shops. One like
you pay almost 39% tax, correct?
ولادهم بإنجليش يخبروك ولا ليش؟
A lot of money, haram, wallah haram.
But in Germany, they people not leave you to get halal money, you know. They will enroll in anything, something, but they don't leave you to be you profit halal here.
Yes. I have my friend coming from Germany now. They open business here with me.
Okay.
They shift from German already.
Nice. When you come to Germany,
I plan to come to Germany maybe within 2 months.
Brother, come past.
But still, I didn't fix.
We'll be happy. Warm welcome for you.
Because my son, he's training a pilot. He will go with the Lufthansa to make one exam there in Germany, Frankfurt.
Okay, brother. When he come here, when you need any kind of help, we are here. Okay, in Frankfurt.
Thank you, Harry.
We have everything. Inshallah, because.
Thank you, Habib. And anybody want to come to Dubai, you are most welcome.
Inshallah.
Wali brother speak also English, very nice English. You know, when you talk with him, he understand you.
Yeah. I told him text to me on WhatsApp better.
Yes.
Because I cannot understand me well. Many things he cannot understand me.
Yeah, sometimes like that, you know. But you know, we have some.
But there is some Arabic word using on Afghani.
Yeah.
Some words. Yeah, there is some words.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa
Alaikum assalam, ala Saki.
Allah, Abu Musa, how are you?
Fine, alhamdulillah, fine. How are you too?
Alhamdulillah. How is my brother Walijan? Did you talk with him a bit in English?
Yes.
He start to learn little by little.
Later speaking
Arabic.
Yes.
Very important.
When he come to Dubai, when he will come to Dubai, خلاص, he will start talk Arabic. كيف حالك? شو أخبارك?
Arabic is important.
Yeah.
inshallah.
ولي كلام عربي شوي
شوي ومعلوم زيادة أنا معلوم.
طيب كيف حالك؟
I am good.
الحمد لله مش I am good. كلم
الحمد
عربي.
لله I am عربيس شوي ومعلوم.
طيب الحمد لله سهل easy. كيف حالك؟ الحمد لله. بعدين يعني you want to play تريد أن تلعب جولة؟ تريد أن تلعب جولة؟
ما في معلومة عربي والله.
You want to play one round? Wali, I teach you now. جولة بطل جولة بطل.
جولة 1 جولة أحكام.
أيوة. تلعب هيك like this.
صح أحكام.
لا wait a minute. When you start with the Arabic people تلعب جولة أحكام. say تلعب جولة أحكام. أحكام.
أبو موسى brother. It's Arab speaking. تاب شيرش.
كبس Takbis, takbis, takbis.
share.
Takbis, share.
Yes, takbis.
Share on English, share.
Yes,
In Arabic, nashr.
nashr.
Arabic أهلا وسهلا ولي الله.
أهلا وسهلا, welcome.
Yes, أهلا وسهلا يا دلبارية.
أنت مجنون.
أنت مجنون يا ولي؟
No, ما في معلوم مجنون.
مجنون يعني crazy.
No,
مجنون.
يار.
مجنون. لا أبو موسى.
Saki, he said. مجنون. Saki, he said.
مجنون ليلى.
مجنون ليلى. You
Yes,
know what he
I'm مجنون
means?
ليلى.
You are crazy of ليلى. Okay, you are lover يعني.
Yes, my brother أبو موسى. ولي أنت big love ليلى.
Okay.
No. मैं عربي إن شاء الله أمريكي.
أنا مجنون ليلى.
He won't.
يلا.
ولي.
repeat. أنا
ولي.
مجنون ليلى.
أنا مجنون ليلى.
أيوة.
أبو موسى برودر ليلى كنسوة. ليلى كرخرة.
مين ليلى؟ Who's ليلى؟
ليلى is nowadays in West Indies.
Okay.
Yes. ليلى ما في ليلى. السلام عليكم.
Still on the dream.
نورزای ولې داسې خاموشه وزړګو؟
ستاسو عربي موږ هم عربي درس زده کوو.
Musa brother Nurday also want to learn Arabic, you know.
Yes, I will teach him Arabic. It's easy when he's coming here.
He also plan to come to Dubai.
إن شاء الله.
Inshallah.
أخي خوي شنزرو كوالي عربي دا غيني زك.
Yes, Samsa was there.
and I will find for him one Arabic wife also. I will let him marry the
mashallah.
Arabic. Yes.
You know his dream is that to marry.
Abu Musa,
Ah.
find for him me and Wali, me small brother, Wali big brother, 2 sister, me 2 brother, Mary.
MashaAllah, everybody want to marry. You are.
There's too much work for you now.
Yeah, well, a lot of work now. I need to search.
Yes, brother, mashallah, me also kalam Arabic.
أبو موسى brother. One Afghan boy. عربستان دبي. غلط شوي.
چشته
خود دې خو ته ورته شل نورم
غلط شوي.
غلطه تيف.
تيف. اوكي حرامي.
حرامي.
ولا شو؟
Allah, just mean last.
Lost. Okay, I think you said he's a stealer or something. Okay.
last, yeah.
पांडिवाले की अंडिवाल.
Friend, it means friend.
Friend. Oh.
Take 20,000
Money.
to Europe.
Send money. Send me be money. Send you be money. Send we be money. Send we be money. Send.
And go away.
الفرارة
20,000.
The Pakistan double Khan.
Where is he now? In Dubai?
He's in Dubai.
Yes, Dubai. Inshallah, me come Dubai. Pagi mane mahkama.
No, mahkama. Send to me. I will catch him. Send to me
Yes.
ID or passport. I can catch him.
Yeah, so
Inshallah.
Baki contact the Saroka. Sakida was a help you.
ID passport it is لري ولا
Oh no, this is
Passport copy. You have passport copy of this guy or ID copy?
نمک سره د سي ډي کارت او پاسپورت شته چې د په یو منټ کې را پیدا کیدا لکان.
He will find you, brother Abu Musa. He will find you in
د ساکي سره به ولي
یاره پرېږ د ولی قسم د بیا دې
I will put him on the jail if he's like this.
زړه ورکه ولي نو ساکینو آی ډی کارت خو اتمن در سره دی
نو وستار نیم کندا غول بدل ډیر زر ختم کوم ساقي قسم
نه پرېږ اوس وخت نور دغه نه غواړي ورله دا نور یې ورله ختم بیا به نور سره ګور.
السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Khan, Khan brother living in America, you know, he authorized USA, Musa brother.
ما شاء الله.
He's our
خان
big
كيف
brother.
حالك يا خان؟
Thank you. Abu Musa.
How are
Welcome
you?
to my brother abroad.
Welcome حبيبي.
ساکي څنګه؟
الحمدلله خانجه ته څنګه یا د ګلانو مې چا وګټه
ورته نه وسه.
نه زه خو لاړم
نه دروځه.
منه ما هو جيت ورا ولاړو
نه مو یې چې ورته ګفټینګ کولو
خانجي سړی مو څخه
دا
پکړ
زه خو لاړم څوک
انا پر ما سره وای چیټینګ کړی دی ولې هر می وای زه سپورټ نه کړم ما ولا خبرې ما کو چیټینګ نه چیټینګ چاله دې سره کړی
خندا خپل دراله وای دا وای دا پارمی کې نه ده ځکه زما په خلاف لګی دي
وته وای
before Rose game, you know, only Rose came, and one from them is lost. He was angry. They said, "Why the people not support me in Roses?" And that's why they were talking about that now.
ایو جنې ته وای وای ته ولې ګفټینګ کوي ته خو د ولید ارمي نه چې د ولید ارمي نه وای ګفټینګ مفټینګ ونه
او نه ورته وایي 7G ته کوم نه راغی چې تا ته ګفټینګ کوي 7G څه کار دی
ما ورته ما زه ولې ته لایف شیر کوم هغه هم درته راځي سړی داسې وایي یو دا نه و د ولي په ارمي هغه ګلانو روشته وی ولې ولا یا خدای بس بایزان نن ډېر او دا ټول کارونه د ایجی دي
د ایجی دي زم بلاک ما غیم بلاکو اخر بیا چې بیا راغو هغه دا کو هم بلاک کو او چې طرف فالو کړی نه ما څه کوم څه مطلب فالو سره نه
هغه بیچاره د مغزونه کمزورې ده ګولې چې ونه خوري بیا تاثیر نه کوي
نه وای تاول روشت نه کوم ما اورډر وشو مې روشت او ما نه روشت ولې چې دا کومه روشت نه کې ما وای تاول روشت نه ما ته دا که شو اورډر وشو روشت نه کې ما بس روشت نه کې بس I have block او زم بلاک په گیم کې بیا دا غیر کوی گیم ته ورخته نشي بیا چې ورته ویل چې انفالوم کا انفالو کې لگا
Abu Musa brother, they was played two brothers, you know, they was also friends, and they one from them only support one guy, another is angry, they block everyone and go. Because of this issue you all talking now.
Yeah, okay.
Abu Musa, when you go to United States,
Wallahi, United States, I went before 1 year ago. I went only to Nevada, Las Vegas, and LA. Maybe next year.
You know.
This year I went before 1 month. I was in London. Yeah, every year I choose one country like for the holiday and I go.
yes, my brother, because Wali brothers are also allowed in USA. I mean, all around the world. Ever if you come to Switzerland, just say we are here to welcome you.
Habibi, thank you, Habibi, thank you so much.
Yes, because
Inshallah,
we
of
are,
course.
mashallah, all around. You know, Afghan communities all around Germany, France, the Swiss.
MashaAllah,
London.
everywhere, Afghan. Here in Dubai, too much.
Yeah, in Dubai also, mashallah. Dubai have
Especially on Sharjah. Sharjah, they are a lot on Sharjah. They are like, you know, the most companies for car spare parts on Sharjah, and like 80% they are Afghani.
Yeah, they have this car business. This is a big business also in Dubai, and they're sending the car to the other countries. Mashallah,
Afghan community in all of the world, they have own businesses, you know. They have people they're working.
and
But
this
they are mashallah lucky outside of the country, but on the Afghanistan they are not lucky, haram.
Sure. We
خدای مې حساب روزي که ماشاءالله مو پکښې کوي خدای دې مو خپل وطن جوړ کړي چې خپل وطن ته ولاړ شي کلکې ماشاءالله یې پکښې کوي
Brother, you are right. Yes, we don't have any good ways in our country to make some businesses here. You know, don't have this possibilities here. Our life is
ولې دوبۍ ته به څه وخت ځو
But you know the good things in Dubai, not like another country. You can own your house, you can own your business under your name without pay tax. You know, it's.
Musa, brother, I want to plan to buy a house in Dubai. You know, for my family.
Yeah, you can buy house, you can buy land under your name.
I have this.
You can open your own company under your name without paying any taxes. Only we pay for the companies only 5%. But only for the business, but for the personal, no. They will not take you like.
Brother Musa, this is also better for kids, you know, for family kids. You know?
Way too much better. You know, here it's allowed for our kids to go anytime on the night, and my kids they can go out play 12 o'clock, 1 a.m. to normal. It's okay. It's very safety.
Yeah, safety is. Dubai have a really beautiful.
And
in a
even
safe way.
you can leave your car open. Nobody can touch your things here. If you left your wallet or your mobile on the restaurant on the table and you went to the toilet, you will come back. You will find it. Nobody can touch your things.
That is the better.
Yes, mashallah. In Afghanistan also now so. In Afghanistan also nobody touch your stuff. No, really, I'm not joking.
Wallah.
Wallah.
دا د ولي لپاره دا مقصد درځه ارزه کې د سټیل پلان
But in US or in Europe, no.
دا محمد سره
محمد اپشن دلته نه معلومه محمد ګل دی چې ول برو
ولی تا بیا ولې د طبیعت خراب دی
ولا کوم طبیعت خراب وي وګم د کورونه لري مشین
ماشي دې راځه موبایل لایف مو بند راځه
سترګې خو دې دغه دا زه ان شاء الله نن هم لګیاوم لګیا کېږم دا 2-3 ورځې کې ان شاء الله یو ځای به درته پیدا کوم جرمني کې
ساکي د غټ مشکل چې شي د غټ مشکل دا دی چې د تر سره پورې اوس ناشتي د ورځې خوب چې هغه بیا لایف د راکښینی بر دغه رقم ګنګ سو ګولي د چې پر وخت به د چې پر وخت راويشتي بیا جوړ تیاری
بالکل
زه نه پوهېږم دلته جوړ دلته دا څه وای دی محمد ورته مړه
نه مړه دا به ښه شي ان شاء الله دا سپورت
السلام عليكم محمد.
وعليكم السلام وعليكم محمد. السلام عليكم
محمد the toilet.
Muhammad is also Majnoon.
مجنون ليلى.
Majnoon Layla, yeah. Muhammad also Majnoon.
والله see if you are not مجنون ليلى you are not man. All we are مجنون ليلى. All men like this.
All men Majnoon, yes.
والله all the men's مجنون. We are مجنون of women's.
Bu Musa but Saki have already 3 wife is married is not single.
It's okay. Me I have to.
Me also I have but
MashaAllah, this is rahmat. You can have 2, 3, 4. Allah
Yes.
say have 4. No problem.
Yes.
Rahmat.
Yes.
He
Alhamdulillah.
say in Quran say if you can do justice you can